Hey y'all, welcome back to the Rooted Coop channel. Today we have some exciting soap that we're going to be making. We're going to create a stunning cold processed soap that's inspired by firecrackers and the vibrant colors of red, white, and blue. And to make it even more delightful, we're going to be using a wonderful apple blossom scent. So let's get started. For this soap recipe, we've started out with a combination of nourishing oils. We're going to be using olive oil, coconut oil, grapeseed, castor, and palm oil. These oils will create a luxurious lather and provide moisturizing properties to our soap and our skin. So we've combined all of our oils in our mixing bowl, added the lye solution, and we're going to blend it together. We're also going to be adding some goat milk powder to this recipe as well. Just going to get it all blended together. I'm testing out a new scent. So this one is going to be our apple blossom scent. This smells so sweet. It has the smell of apples, peach, melon, and a delicate white flower, and it's truly a fruity floral delight. And of course we use the recommended amount of the fragrance oil because you need to follow those usage guidelines. There's our apple blossom scent being added in. And here's a different angle, just to show the soap batter being blended together. Okay, I'm going to split this off to get our red and our blue. I'm leaving the main part of the batch white, so I'm just going to split part of the soap batter off into two different containers, and I'll be adding white titanium dioxide to the main batch, and some red mica powder and some blue mica powder to the other two. I've taken the mica powder and added a little water to those to help to dissolve them, to make them a little easier to blend together. Unfortunately on this one, I ended up having some problems with recording, which you will soon see. So I didn't get to get all of the footage that I was hoping for. But even when things don't go as planned, they can still turn out. Okay, so there's the TD that I've diluted in water. Next goes the red. And some blue. This fragrance oil performed really well for me. It didn't cause any problems with the soap batter, so I was really pleased with that, and it smells so good. going to whisk this in a little bit just to help blend it together so I don't have to stick blend as much, because I want this to be a little bit thin so I can do some swirls with it whenever I pour it. And I'm just doing a small loaf so I can test out the fragrance oil to see how it's going to perform and to see how the scent lasts and everything in the bar. So just doing some test batches. So what I'm going to do is, after I get all of this blended together, I'm going to put the white down first, the white layer first, and then I'm going to do a pour of the red and the blue across the top of the white down into the white, and then I'm going to use my chopstick and blend it in there. Do a drop swirl. And I hate that I did not get the pouring of this soap on video, so I'll have to do another one soon to show y'all the whole process. Getting the blue mixed in. So red, white, and blue all ready to go. And this is when it stopped recording, and I did not realize it. Here's some shots. My husband was getting some shots for a short that he's wanting to make, and so this is what I have of it before. It looks so pretty. This one was a tough one to wait on the cut. I wanted to see how it looked. Alright, and here is the cut coming up. Let's see what this looks like together. We've got the white at the bottom, the red and the blue on the top. Getting it all lined up so we can see what this looks like. Just going for a patriotic design. Ta-da! I would like for it to have had more blue in it, but again, as you go, you learn. This soap will need to sit and harden for about 4 to 6 weeks. That'll give it time for the process to finish transforming our soap mixture into this beautiful solid soap bar. And the firecracker soap is finished. And here's the cut from a different angle. Alright, there you have it, folks. It's our red, white, and blue firecracker soap ready to be enjoyed. The combination of nourishing oils, delightful apple blossom scent, and a patriotic design makes this soap a truly special treat. So get the ingredients ready, get creative, and explode into the soap making process. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more soap making fun. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. As always, feel free to share your own creations and questions in the comments. Happy soap making!